So here we go. This looks like that's what the problem is. There's the slide for the high-low. So she's broken the fork off it, and I have no idea where the fork is. You would think gravity would be the keeper of the fork, wouldn't you? It'd have to be in there somewhere. And it looks like, by the looks of that to me, the top slide would have to have, if I was guessing, the box split back here to be able to push the bar out and change the fork, I would say. By the looks of it. It looks like it hasn't turned in a long time by the looks of the rust on top of those gears. The oil looks great in it, but having said that, it also doesn't look like it's turned in a long while. Although he was saying that it was still running and functional. But that fork must be bloody somewhere. So you wouldn't think that fork would make it all the way to the bottom, would you? And not get tangled in something. I can't actually see that well from up here, so I suppose I'll probably have to get the camera tool and put the camera tool in there and see if I can see, you know, more stuff from there. Get a better idea of what's in there, where it is, if I can. But I can't see. Oh boy, you bump your head on everything when you're trying to look in these places, but I can't see anything anywhere. But when we tried to drop the clutch, it was a fairly good, you know, it was full lock-up, so I don't know where a piece like that would go. So I suppose I'll have to ask some questions of some people and see if anybody knows any more about it and what you would be best off doing to go forward from there. The motor seems to turn freely by levering it around, and the rest of the tractor itself, although it's got some rust on these foot pedals and a few other foot pans and a few other things, the rest of the tractor looks in pretty good condition, so not really sure as far as that goes. But anyway, that's where we're up to. That's the next puzzle. You see on the underside of the gear shift plate and high-low range plate, that's what it looks like. So okay, we'll pop that back on so we don't get garbage in there while we figure out what we're going to do next, or what is the next part of it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Gary, I'm the Attitude Adjuster. Please share, like and subscribe, and we'll go from there.